All right, so if you're still on the hunt for that perfect holiday gift, well, why not try a subscription box?
Yeah, this is real interesting, Charlie. So the Subscription Trade Association is making it easy to find the perfect fit, and co-founder Paul Chambers joins us live this morning with a whole lot more. First and foremost, Paul, good morning to you.
Good morning to you as well, Charlie and Michael. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So I want to jump into this because I'm trying to wrap my mind around how this exactly works. First off, thank you so much for sending in both a box for Charlie and one for myself. How does this actually work? It's a subscription box service, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So there's subscription boxes for anything and everything you can think of. I mean, if you look at me here, there's subscription boxes all around. I think we dropped off the gentleman's box for you guys. And I know you're both very well dressed this morning. You probably don't need it. But for the man that wants to be a true gentleman, the gentleman's box is a perfect thing. It comes with socks and ties and pocket squares. Can style you every month. And then on the flip side, there's stuff that's great for kids too. There's an art subscription. There's a clay box. There's a Tinker Tots box.
So
I mean,
Paul,
you name it, there's
So
for
Paul,
everything.
this subscription box, so this is something that you could expect like once a month. Is that the idea behind this?
Absolutely. So it can be monthly or it can be quarterly. A lot of companies allow you to choose your frequency and change it along the way as well.
And Charlie, were those socks or were those ties?
I'm looking at this is this is in the box. So this is a tie. That's kind of nice. I get this one, but I've got this. It says pain relieving gel. Paul, Capsiva. What is this stuff here?
Yeah, so Capsiva is a subscribe and save product. That's a pain-relieving gel that helps with arthritis and psoriasis. And that's another great company that you can subscribe to on a monthly or every other month basis. I think that one came inside the Gentleman's Box Premium, actually. So you guys have both there in front of you, the monthly subscription box that you're getting for $35 a month.
Whoa.
Right?
This is some awesome stuff.
Wait a minute. Paul, what is this? Now, Michael, did you get one of these in your box?
You know what I have is I have a tie and pocket square. Paul, this is really nice. I'm curious. How much?
Hold on. Wait, Paul. This is a Manscaped. And it's a what is this? This thing is what does this thing do?
That came in the Gentleman's Box Premium box, actually. So that premium box is it's less than $100 a quarter and includes over $300 in value.
How come Michael didn't get one of these in his box? I mean,
Charlie, I got a cool hat.
I understand this,
There's a cool hat in here.
Charlie wanted you to clean up a little bit there.
Look at all that. This is and everything. Charlie, let me tell you, Paul, this is some good stuff. I'm going to take that pocket square out and put this one in. Paul, so how much does this cost? You said this was a per month sort of thing, right?
Here, Michael, take that.
The Gentleman's Box Monthly. The Gentleman's Box Monthly is only $35 a month. You get over $100 in value every single month. So that's what a lot of these subscription boxes are. They're discovery and delight. They're replenishment. They're giving you great stuff that you need and helping you discover some fun things on a monthly and quarterly basis.
So Paul, from me gift every month.
Not to belabor the point here, but if the Manscaped goes astray, then do you whip out the pain-relieving gel?
That's a 1-2 punch. That's a combo.
I'm just curious about that.
Charlie.
I mean, they're in the same box. You don't have a box. Seriously, if this thing goes, you need a little gel. I'm just saying. You thought about everything here.
They got you covered.
Doesn't hurt to have it right next to you there.
I love that, Charlie. That's hilarious.
And then when you're all done, have yourself some coffee.
Yeah,
absolutely.
You really got a lot of these things covered. What's the website? So it's SUBTA, right? SUBTA.com.
Our Subscription Trade Association at SUBTA.com, or if you're looking for gifts, SUBTA.com/gift guide. All sorts of great stuff that's in the mix there.
Who are you marketing this to? I mean, is this like all men, or are you a targeted? Give me the wrap up here. I got a lot more questions for you. But
any man that you want to be a true gentleman, that's the perfect fit for the Gentleman's Box.
I think this is great.
This is awesome.
I love it. All right, we're going to put all this information on our website, box2detroit.com.
Paul, thank you.
Yeah, this is good stuff.
A gift that keeps on giving every single month. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you can't be. There's food boxes too. I mean, look at carnivore.
Oh, hey, you've got this thing too. Hold on, we got more. Oops, I broke the glass, but We got this stuff too.
Uh-oh.
That was full when we brought it.
So there's a continuation here. You know what?
Don't use the Manscaper.
You need a little pain, and if that doesn't work, load it up with some high-powered alcohol. Paul, you thought of everything here.
Covered.
We've got it covered.
Wonderful.
Every single piece.
It's wonderful.
Paul, we appreciate it very much, good sir. Thanks so much for joining us. Again, it is SUBTA.com for more. Paul, thanks. Happy holidays.
Thanks for having me.